Hello, and welcome to my little tutorial on how to use my program. So, the first thing we need to do, we need to go to GitHub and download it. You just press this button. Make sure you also download this. This is .NET and you need it so you can run the program. It will say that something's missing if you don't. So, yeah. Well, now we have it here. You just unzip it, open the release, just the unzipped folder, go to Net6 Windows and open the exe. So yeah, now we all have the program open. So this Beat Saber color changer. So yeah, the first thing you usually wanna do is choose the file. You can choose the file, like just press the button and something like this should pop up. Maybe it's not the same size for different devices, I don't really know. So what you need to do, you need to open your player.dat file, and that can be located right here in this path. You just copy it in and replace your user with the username your PCE has. Like for me it's my name, and it should be something similar for you. Like just click on here, should be like something like this. So yeah, now you open the player.dat file. So here you can see you normally select the third slot and the left saber. So if you have a specific slot you wanna change, you just click on this, like on which slot you wanna change. I personally wanna change to the second slot right now. It has a pink and a red color, and yeah. So first of all I'm gonna explain the simplest way to use the program. I'm gonna explain what's the simplest way to use it. So the first thing you need to do, check which of the slider values is the highest. So this is on 255 right now, and all the other ones are just low. If you have like 2 on 255 like this, then you just either do both or you only do one, and that color will be like the color will take over. I'm gonna show you later what it means, what I'm talking about. So yeah, the simplest way to use this is to press auto overload. This will open a little menu. You need to remember what is the highest color. If you haven't, you just can go back, look at it again. So blue is the highest value for me right now, so I press auto overload blue. Now we can see it's on 510. This would not work in the base game Beat Saber settings, but because of something they did, apparently it just makes it more saturated. I pulled up my little calculator right here because 510 is twice as saturated. So if you don't want it twice but only half as saturated, you can just do 255, so the highest, the value you had before, times, yeah, then you just do, let's say you want it 50%, you do times 1.5, that would be 382. So I'm gonna just set this to 382. Okay, so now that we're done with this color and we are happy with it and don't want to change anything anymore, we're just gonna press the save button right here. This should say save to user 2, or save to whichever slot you selected. If this doesn't pop up and it's an error, then you probably haven't selected your file yet. So now we go to the right saber. I have this simple little red here, an already overloaded alpha. It's on 510 because I set it to that, and everything else is default Beat Saber values. So for this I want to show something else. This is just search for color picker or something, and let's say you like this red, or like something like this red. You like it a lot, you wanna use it. All you need to do, you copy the hex code. Yeah, you copy the hex code and input in here. But now what we can see, this is definitely not the color we selected. And that's because of the hashtag. We just need to remove the hashtag, and yeah, this looks a lot more like the color we selected. So now we have the color we wanted, and what we can do now, we can press auto overload. We see red is the primary color, so we auto overload red. We say we also only want to do it for half, so 382 it is. Actually, maybe we're gonna go a bit higher this time, to like 460. Yeah, so when you did that, just press save. If you can't follow any of these steps, you just press on this little tutorial button. It explains everything in detail, and yeah. We also have the overloader itself. It's just a button that makes the slider value higher. You usually only want to overload it once, because it's not very nice if you overload it like twice or something. It's weird. So yeah, we just set this back to like 450, and yeah, save. Should say save to user 2 again, because I'm on the second slot, and it should change depending on which slot you changed. And yeah, now let's say we want to change the obstacle color. Just like, if you're uncreative, just press a random color. It always has pretty good results. It has, like, this is a really good color in my opinion. Like, this is not as good. Just gonna press till I find something I like. Yeah, this will do fine. Just press save again. A little thing I added is, if you go like to right here, you have this color, and you go to another one and go back, it has the one saved in the file. So I did this, so you don't have to memorize the colors and mess everything up without save. So yeah. Well, I will see you in game. Yeah. Now that we started the game, you just go to solo, colors, and you should see the changes right away. So we change this slot, we change slot 2, so slot 1, slot 2, it's the right slot, so we're good. So now let's watch a replay and see what really is different. So yeah, what we can see right away, pretty cool. So now that we are like actually seeing nodes, you can see the effect it had. It is like way brighter, looking way better. So yeah, that's basically what the program can do. If you wanna see that it was actually the program that did this, not just my colors being really bright or something, I can just put them back to Beat Saber ordinary values. So first thing I do, I just go press the slider back and press it full again, and back full again. You can also see changes in the little preview. So just press OK again, and let's watch it again, but this time with non-oversaturated colors. So yeah, as you can see, not as cool anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna see you one last time on the desktop and explain something really quickly. So yeah, the thing I wanted to explain is a little thing. It's a Windows Smart Screen. This will probably pop up the first time you try to open the program because I didn't put a publisher and I really don't know how to put a publisher. So if you still trust me enough after seeing this pop-up, just click on more info and run anyway. Should be fine. The whole code is on GitHub, so if someone of you is experienced in coding, go check it out. There's nothing malicious, and yeah, I hope you like the program. So thanks for watching and bye.